What? You scared? You scared? You scared? What? How? What? What? Say sorry. Yeah.
You're a bitch, Dan.
I got assaulted. I'm showing that fucking video to the cops. I'm thinking, wow, wow, wow. Step on your new toes. Are you crazy? It's not even funny. If there was a killer behind us, I would have been safe and you would have been dead. Just letting you know. Why would you walk slow in the dark? Are you crazy?
I'm okay.
Girl, get your ass inside.
I could handle myself.
Go,
I could
go,
kick
go,
ass.
go.
I would.
I got pepper spray, if anything. If anyone who knows how to work a lawnmower sees this vlog, the grass is disgustingly long, and you are embarrassing. You're embarrassing me right now. I'm not going to work a lawnmower because I don't know how. But one of you needs to figure this shit out because it's disgusting. Okay, who the fuck locked this room door? Are you kidding me right now? I literally have to pee so bad.
Oh, okay.
No, like, read it like a psycho, like why did you smell at him like that? Thank you. Your boyfriend?
Yeah, I already got so much. Take a shit. Thank you.
Turn it up, turn it up. Let's go. Okay, bye. Oh my god! 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 Oh my god!
Look at that fucking cricket.
Oh my god! Don't care.
That's huge. No, I'm terrified of crickets. Please hold
Don't
it.
care.
You know what? I don't
Even
remember.
where? Like where?
Right there.
Aw.
Wait,
why'd you laugh?
Ooh.
You should talk. You had a cranky ass face on when you were the dog downstairs.
Am I gonna be on your next vid? Yeah. Wait, that's the camera? Yeah. I keep thinking that black flap there is a bug. Ew, ew, ew. Fuck. Where did it go? Where the fuck did it go? Oh my god. If this couldn't be any slower.
Where are your shoes?
In my hand. At a... Whoa. I know, big cricket, big cricket.
Oh,
go!
where?
Are you fucking joking? I'm literally terrified of crickets. No! But we're 17. I thought that was a, oh.